How do you create a new layer in Photoshop? Photoshop is all about the layers. We got to have layers to be able to put them on top of each other and make interesting photo composite effects in Photoshop. The easiest way to create a new layer in Photoshop is to click the plus button icon in the layer panel. It's down here. Simply click plus, and we have a new layer. Now, if I draw on this layer with the brush tool, I can simply hide it, and it's on a new layer. Another way to make a new layer is to duplicate a layer. You can go to this layer, right-click, and duplicate the layer. It allows you to change the name, My New Layer, and press OK. Now I have that layer duplicated. We can also create adjustment layers. So while I'm on this layer here, I can click Adjustment Layer and make a Curves Adjustment Layer. This will now be above this layer. And if I make any adjustments to it, for example, by changing the value of the curves so I can lower the darkness and raise it up, it affects all the layers. So the best thing to do when you're using adjustment layers is to decide which layers it will affect. This will affect every layer below it, but I can easily change that by holding Alt or Option and clicking, and it'll clip it down. This little icon shows you that you can clip it. That means it's only affecting the layer directly below it. If you forget that this is an option, simply right-click and select Release Clipping Mask. The other keyboard shortcut is Alt+Ctrl+G or Option+Ctrl+G on a Mac. And finally, another way to create a new layer in Photoshop is to go to Layer, New. It allows you to create a new layer, a group, or a group from layers. Hopefully, you are all set up to make tons of amazing layers in Photoshop.